Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here at Token Talks. And in this video, I'm going to go over some altcoins that have a huge upside opportunity to hit over 1000x in this crypto cycle. And these are coins that a lot of big influencers have been talking about. And I think it's important to understand that when you are following coins that influencers are promoting, that it's important that you take things with a grain of salt and you have a really good plan in place. But nonetheless, we're going to break everything down in this video, and I'm going to show you exactly what 3 coins I'm talking about that have 1000x potential. So do me a favor, make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Let's run that B-roll and get right into the video. All right, Token Talks family, as we know right now, the crypto bull market and altcoin season is picking up tremendously, and Bitcoin is kind of stabilizing right now as we speak, and we're seeing a lot of altcoins start to pump. With this, there's been an influx of influencers coming out and saying they found the next 100x or 1000x gem. So what I want to do is I want to start down by breaking down BTC, but more importantly, I'm not trying to bash any influencers or talk negatively against anybody who's essentially doing what I'm doing. We're all here to help, but I really want you guys to take things with a grain of salt, because we have to be smart and do your own research. Again, I'm not a financial advisor and neither are you, so you have to make sure you do your own research and that you understand that trading and investing in the financial markets is risky and you can and will potentially lose money. So let's go ahead and dive right into this and talk about Bitcoin real quick. And then we'll dive into some of these altcoins that I'm talking about. So when we look at Bitcoin right now on the weekly time frame, we're currently sitting at $61,084. And if we take this down to the daily time frame, you'll see something interesting. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback here, and we're seeing another bearish candle start to form here as well. We have about 19 hours left until this daily candle close. But as I go into the 4-hour time frame, we're going to see something that's a bit interesting. So I've marked up this more recent trend line right here. And we do have some interesting areas of, demand or supply levels or order blocks or whatever you want to call them, but key levels where I do think that price might go back to and mitigate, because there's liquidity resting below these. And if you understand liquidity is a magnet for price. And typically institutional investors like to drive price to liquidity for particular reasons. If you believe in smart money or institutional concepts, you understand that there's open orders sitting there and they need to close. But nonetheless, right now, BTC doing what BTC is going to do. Our previous all-time high for this specific cycle within the last couple of days looks like about $64,074. And if we go down to the monthly time frame, and we truly look at our price, we see that our all-time high was right at these levels over here at right around 69, almost 70K. So we're very, very close to hitting that peak and creating some new highs, which I'm really, really excited about. So let's go ahead and dive into some of these altcoins. I really want to break down these altcoins, look at the projects themselves, and determine if they actually have potential or if it's really just hype. So before we dive into the first altcoin, I want to just take a look at CoinMarketCap really, really quickly, guys. As you can see here, prices are doing what prices have been doing. Solana, $134, XRP, 59 cents, UST, Cardano, 67 cents, Doge at 12, Avalanche 42, Tron at 14, Chainlink at 19. Guys, as you can see here, it's doing its thing, and it's really, really nice to look at crypto where it is right now. I'm super excited. And our baby VeChain sitting at 47 cents. So let's go ahead and dive into the first asset. And this is going to be a token called Gearbox, okay? So we're going to dive in and we're going to look at the all-time for this coin. And as you can see here, it's actually above its where it started, okay? So price is currently sitting right around 23 cents. It looks like right now its self-reported circulation is right around 746 million gear. Total supply is about 10 billion. Max supply is about 10 billion. And the fully diluted market cap is sitting at $228.7 million. Currently, it's right around rank 2577, okay? So if we look over here, in terms of exchanges, it's listed on pretty much most of the big ones. And then if we also look over here, we're going to kind of see some of the sentiment around this particular token, this particular asset, and people are saying really good things about it nonetheless. So let's go ahead and check out the website and see what's going on with this. So this is a composable leverage protocol powered by credit account abstraction. So you can earn passive APY by lending your assets or get up to 10% margin trade on Uniswap and leverage or farm on any one of these exchanges. Any type of staking, leveraging, farming are all really cool tokens that people really want to get into because high upside potential and the ability for people to, earn more just by holding the particular asset. As you can see here, right now they have borrowed over $62 million. There's about 5.9 thousand gear holders, so pretty low in terms of what's possible. And right here, as you can see here, you have your passive yield for passive liquidity providers who don't want to actively manage their positions and simply want to get APY rewards at the same asset. It looks like it's low risk. And then they have the degening side where you can go ahead and leverage your trades. Guys, I've heard horror stories about people being liquidated on some of their leverage trading. So really want to be careful with them. Okay. So you could leverage their DApp selection. So whether you want to farm or margin trade, we have two different interfaces that you can take advantage of. You could get up to 10x leverage and use it across DeFi, which is crazy. All of these different integrations with all of these different platforms. Here are all of their audits. So you could take a look at their audits and see how they're doing. And then you could take a look at their community and what they have to offer. So obviously, guys, you could take a look at their developers. You could go to their Telegram here as well, which I'm going to do, but not for this video. And then also, in addition to that, so this is this project right here. Do your own research. Again, you want to go ahead and take a look at exactly what this project is doing and if it makes sense for you. Obviously, when it comes to people, they love this. And in terms of this project right here, guys, in terms of like when it actually launched, this is a newer project in terms of when it hit coin market cap, literally right around the end of December, Christmas Day or the Christmas Eve, it made its way over here. So that's Gearbox Protocol. Again, it's seen a nice pump lately, but at 20 million market cap, it's small and not well known with only under 6,000 holders. So it has a lot of high upside potential. So next up, we have Kiza Inu. And this one right here is really, really important to take a look at. So Kizuna Inu is a great asset to invest into. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about why that's the case. So when we go to the all-time, we take a look here. And again, we're going to go to their website directly and see what they have going on. And then we'll drop right into what is going on with this particular token. So it's the first ERC20 token generated by decentralized AI. Okay. So this is a meme coin that's essentially generated by AI. I'm always cautious about meme coins, but I want you guys to understand the artificial intelligence angle can attract different type of investors and interest. It has a $40 million market cap and slowly growing community. And look, meme coins heavily rely on what? Hype. So as long as this project has the hype around it, it's going to be able to do what it needs to do. But in terms of pricing, guys, it's up a lot, okay? So getting in right now, you have to be very, very careful because price could just whipsaw and go down to the other direction, or it could continue to move to the upside in whichever way it wants. And this token looks like it hit CMC around October 6th of 2023. But let's go ahead and dive into their website a bit more so we could break this down a little bit. So it's 100% fully decentralized. There are no central teams or authorities controlling the project. Instead, Kizuna, the crew, community takes charge of decisions, making, and governance. So essentially like a DAO, right? They have access to these burns. And you can literally come in here and take a look at what's going on with this project. And as you can see here, you could read about the birth of it. You could understand the new horizons of it. You could see that it's a decentralized future and all these different things that it has to offer. And then you could come in here and look at the tensor and see that it has leveraging BitTensor, which is powered by decentralized mining in the Tau network, AI image and text Telegram bot. And guys, at the end of the day, AI imaging and stuff like that is what essentially kind of killed Web3 at the end of the day. Let's just be honest about that. Exclusively utilizing Corcell. So you want to make sure that you're paying very close attention to this. Read their white paper, join their community, and see exactly what's going on. And you could pull up their contract address as well and take a look at that, okay? And then the last project that we're going to talk about is DexToro on CoinGecko. And DexToro is a decentralized leverage and derivatives exchange similar to synthetics, but we know that crypto traders love leverage at the end of the day, and DEX are heating up as people try to avoid KYC. So DexToro is still under $10 million market cap, but already has an active platform. So as we could see here in terms of pricing, if we go to the max and we see it's still below its all-time high. It's currently sitting at right above 80 cents at 84 cents. And it hit coin market cap right around like 17, 16 cents. I'm sorry, CoinGecko when it first came through. Let's go to their website and learn a little bit more about this project together as a family. So this is essentially an exchange, okay, guys? This is where you could come in here. You could do some decentralized trading. It's about trust without compromise. This is why we're reimagining DeFi to optimize for what actually matters, giving people full control of their assets without sacrificing performance. So you could start trading on this ASAP, and you could learn a lot more about this project and understand the future of leverage trading and understand that this is all about you. You're the custodial asset owner of your coins and tokens. Again, but if it's ever on an exchange, not your keys, not your crypto. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So to me, I like DexToro because the use cases, people can come on here and trade. They offer leverage trading. There's no KYC. It's fully decentralized. So you see a lot of people flocking to platforms like this. So these are 3 coins that have huge upside potential to over 1000x in the next 6 months. So guys, pay very, very close attention. Do your own research on these 3 tokens and understand that bull runs here, and we're here to help you every step of the way. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. We will catch you on the next one. Take care. Stay blessed.